There are a lot of different rumors about the current interest rate. A lot of times, me as a homeowner, I also receive those advertisements where it says that current interest rate is 2.75%, current interest rate is 2.875%. However, I'm a mortgage broker. My rates are usually the lowest possible. And when I look at those that are being advertised to me, I understand that there is some kind of a difference between what they advertise and what actually is available. Now, so that people would understand the interest rates, how they fluctuate. Now, there are conventional loans, there are FHA loans. FHA loans are usually about 0.5%, sometimes more, lower than the conventional loans. So, for example, if they advertise 2.875, it could be FHA loan for 15 years fixed. They're not saying that it's a 30-year conventional. All they're saying is current interest rate is 2.875, but they're not identifying what product they are trying to offer to you at 2.875. So be careful when you look at those advertisements, because they're trying to lure you into calling them, and then they will try to sell you a rate that does not exist, such as 2.875, 15-year fixed. You might not even qualify for that rate because your payment is going to be much higher than normal 30-year fixed. Now, for 30-year fixed also, when people call me and say, hey, what's the interest rate on a conventional loan right now? I don't know. I mean, it depends on the situation. It depends your credit score. Your credit score is 640, 660, 680, 780. Then also, what is the difference between how much you owe on a house, how much money you owe on a house, and how much the house is actually worth? I mean, I have to take all of those things into the consideration to be able to properly price out the interest rate. So that's why when somebody just bluntly just tells you what the interest rate today, they're not asking you enough questions to be able to tell you the exact interest rate. They're just throwing some stuff in the air. Also, be careful when it says government loan. Government loan is the same as FHA loan. Now, conventional loan, that's the one where if you have 20% equity in the loan, you will be able to get rid of the mortgage insurance. On a government loan or FHA loan, you will always have mortgage insurance, even if you're going to have 90% equity in your house. That's what the FHA loans are known for. So in case if you have any further questions, you can always call me and ask me your interest rate at 916-865-7888.